Hi, and welcome back to Closets to Go. In this video, I'm going to talk about our construction method and how it pertains to our custom DIY solution. Being one of the earliest pioneers of the closet organizing industry, Closets to Go was the first brand to adapt a European construction method called System 32, which we introduced to the US in 1984. This method of construction allows for uniform assembly fittings and installation hardware, and quickly became the foundation of all of our product offerings, including our custom DIY solution, which is second to none. This system, combined with the extra steps we take in the pre-install process, ensures an easy, streamlined installation every time. In fact, I'm confident in saying our custom DIY closet system will be the easiest DIY project you've ever completed. Now back to those extra steps we take. We pre-install all the assembly fittings and label every part to coordinate with the room name, wall label, and section location, making the installation process a breeze. In fact, in my opinion, the hardest part of the process is receiving the materials, unpacking them, and carrying them into the room. Additionally, we are one of the few companies offering a custom closet DIY solution, usually at a significant cost savings. Comments shared by our clients include the sense of pride and accomplishment in completing what appeared to be a complex installation, where in fact it was rather a rewarding experience considering the size of the project and having little to no experience at all. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to view more related videos, including the Closets to Go craftsmanship and material video. See you soon.